Welcome to Ciudad del Este, Paraguay's vibrant commercial city famous for its duty-free shopping and proximity to the Itavipo Dam. Whether you are visiting for business, adventure, or culture experience, finding the right hotel can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Here are the top 10 hotels in Ciudad del Este, each offering a unique stay detailed with price ranges, location, and what to expect. The first one is Hotel Casino Acare. Located in the heart of Ciudad del Este, Hotel Casino Acare is a five-star luxury hotel near the riverfront and just a short drive from the shopping centers. It features elegant room with panoramic views, an outdoor pool, a full-service spa, and a high-end casino. The on-site restaurant offers gourmet dining, while the peaceful ambience make it perfect for both business and leisure. The average cost for a night stay is between $130 to $150. The second one is Rio Hotel by Bourbon Ciudad del Este. This modern four-star hotel is situated on Calle Buquiron 305, just a couple of blocks from the main commercial district. The hotel boasts stylish soundproof rooms, a gym, a restaurant, and free breakfast. Guests love its walkable location and consistent quality service. It is ideal for both families and corporate travelers. The average nightly price is around $90 to $110. The third one is Dazzler by Wyndham Ciudad del Este. Located on a quieter stretch of Avenida Adrian Jara, this upscale hotel provides a rooftop pool, gym, and well-equipped business facilities. The rooms are spacious with minimalist decor and city views. Breakfast is included and staff are multilingual and helpful. It's a great option for travelers seeking style and convenience. Prices ranges from $80 to $100 per night. The fourth one is Howard Johnson by Wyndham Ciudad del Este. Right in the downtown area, this hotel offers cozy rooms, a rooftop pool, and a wellness center. It is known for its elegant customer service and generous breakfast buffet. The hotel is close to shopping malls and restaurants, making it perfect for tourists. Rooms here generally cost between $100 and $120 per night. The next one is Nobile Hotel Convention Ciudad del Este. Set in a peaceful area about 4 kilometers from the city center, this hotel is perfect for those who want both comfort and quiet. With an outdoor pool, green space, and an on-site restaurant, it is ideal for conferences or extended stays. Rooms are clean, spacious, and well furnished. Average price per night is $90 to $115. The next one is Las Ventanas Suites Hotel. Located near Avenida Maria de Los Angeles, Las Ventanas offer boutique-style accommodation with modern amenities including kitchen teas in every suite. The hotel has a serene outdoor pool and a small restaurant serving local cuisine. Guests appreciate the quiet setting and attentive staff. A night stay costs around $68 to $85 per night. The next one is Convair Hotel. Positioned at the junction of Avenida Adrian Jara and Pioneros del Este, this hotel offers easy access to public transport and shopping. With a rooftop pool, gym, and tasty buffet breakfast, it is a popular choice among families and couples. Rooms are clean and reasonably priced, with rates ranging from $60 to $75 per night. The next one is Asuncion Grand Hotel, Ciudad del Este branch. Located near the city center, This modest yet comfortable hotel provides all basic amenities like air-conditioned rooms, cable TVs, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary breakfast. It is ideal for travelers who want a central stay without spending too much. The cost is very budget friendly, ranging from $42 to $55 per night. The second last hotel is Hotel del Parque. Situated close to the shopping streets but away from the noisy main road, this hotel offers garden views, a seasonal outdoor pool, and a peaceful environment. The rooms are spacious and simple, and the service is personalized. A great option for those wanting a quiet stay. Nightly rates range from $50 to $70 per night. The last one is Liebling Hotel Ciudad del Este. Just a short drive from downtown, Liebling Hotel features tidy rooms, an outdoor pool, a shared lounge, and friendly service. It is often praised for its cleanliness and value for money, perfect for budget-conscious travelers. Prices are usually between $60 and $80 per night. Whether you are visiting Ciudad del Este for its world-class shopping, the stunning Tiaipu Dam, or simply passing through a South American adventure, choosing the right hotel can truly elevate your experience. From luxury resort to budget-friendly stays, this city has something for everyone. Thanks for watching.